Hey there, this is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2020 Bennington 22 GSR. This boat here has a metallic silver exterior with a red accent. It is total LOA is 24 feet 9 inches. This is a Pontoon, of course, with the SPS package. It's got the new carbon interior and this Semtex with silver Semtex accent. 2 portable cup holders. You got the LED speakers in this model as well. For 2020 this year as well as this table. That's very nice. It's a polycarbonate, so it's a solid, good table there. Got a nice front lounge. Of course, port and starboard. Nice co-captain's chair, 2 cup holders, and another kicker stereo speaker there. Got the back. This option, or this boat here, has the stern gate, bow gate option. So that center seat you see there can go up front as well, in front of the bow gate, or you can put it right here in front of that gate. A lot of people like this option just because it contains, especially like small children and things, in the back of the boat there or in the front. It's got a Yamaha 150 Pontoon ski tow bar. It's got the extended aft deck on it, so you got plenty of room in the back there. Moving up to the Helm, this year we started putting the 7-inch Simrad in the dash. So it does have the NEMA connection, so all of your motor characteristics are displayed on the screen, your speed, RPM, fuel. It's also a chart plotter, so you have navigation. Yamaha Pinnacle on the side, which is in a great place. You got a small glove box right there. Again, this is a 2020 Bennington 22 GSR with carbon Semtex with silver Semtex accent, diamond pressed upholstery. We're located here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, right here on frontage 85. If you'd like some more information, give us a call at 864-236-9005. Talk to you soon.